Good morning, grade 3. This is your science class. Today we will discuss about the life cycle of animals. As you see, many animals are there in this picture. Okay, open page number 37 of your book, The Life Cycle of Animals. Here you see the life cycles of animals. So now recall some things. All living things grow. All living things produce young ones. Some look like their parents, others do not. We all living things, we are all living things. We grow, we produce our young ones, and some of us look like our parents and others do not. Like this is the life cycle of a fish. Egg, fry and fish. First we have egg, then egg is converted into a fry, and then a fish. So what is life cycle? Look at this picture here. Okay, a cycle is something that happens over and over again. ऐसी चीज़ जो बार बार हो. All living things have a life cycle. All living things become old and die, but they can copy themselves having young ones. Look at this image. Okay, now after you get that all living things grow, they become old, they die, they copy themselves. Now let's discuss about life cycle of animals. Look at this picture. We have life cycle of a chicken. Here, egg, hatching, chick, hen, and the life cycle of frog. We have tadpoles, egg, froglet and frogs, and we have a butterfly life cycle, eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis, and an adult butterfly. So animal life cycle. So what do you think? What is animal life cycle? The life cycle of animal is all the stages in its life. उनकी ज़िंदगी का हर stage. It shows how an animal make copy of itself by having babies. Now we will discuss about frog, life cycle of a frog. So as you all know that frogs live near ponds जहाँ पे भी ponds होते हैं, थोड़ा पानी होता है, वहाँ पे frogs होते हैं. They live on land, वो land पे भी रहते हैं, and often go into the water, और water के अंदर भी. Frogs have babies by laying eggs in the water. As you see in this picture, frog lay eggs in the water. Okay. Now, first stage of a frog life cycle is eggs. When frog lay eggs in water, they grow into a tadpole. They hatch the eggs and they grow into a tadpole. Tadpole, this is a tadpole. Tadpole come out of the egg. It begins to swim. In this stage, it begins to swim. Then we have a tadpole with legs. This tadpole converted into this tadpole with the legs. Then this tadpole convert into a young frog with a tail and front grown legs. After this, the tadpole tail disappear. The tadpole become a frog. The frog then comes out of a water. Now we will discuss about fish. Open page number 38 of your book. Most fish have their babies by laying eggs in the water. As you know that, all you know that fish live in the water. So they lay eggs in the water. Babies come out of the eggs, and when the babies come out of the egg, we call them fry. Here is, and then fry is converted into a adult fish. Okay, now first stage is eggs. Then we have fry. Look at this picture. This is a fry. Then we have a fish. Look at this. This is the beautiful goldfish. And then goldfish lay eggs, and then the process begins, the cycle begins. They lay eggs, then eggs converted into fry, then a fish, then a egg, and then fry, then fish. Life cycle begins. Now we have a butterfly. Let's discuss about the life cycle of butterfly. Most insects have their butterflies an insect. Most insects have a life cycle like that of the butterfly. Okay, look at the picture of life cycle of butterfly. We have egg hairs here, then egg is converted into a caterpillar, and caterpillar is converted into a pupa, then pupa is converted into a butterfly. First we have eggs here. Look at this. Butterfly lay eggs on leaf. We have eggs, many of eggs, sorry. Then we have caterpillar. Caterpillar is converted into pupa, and pupa is converted into a butterfly. And then butterfly lay eggs on leaves, and then eggs converted into caterpillar, then pupa, and then butterfly. Now we have birds. After building a nest, a bird lay eggs in them. Most birds lay 2 or 3 eggs. This is the adult hen. Hen lay eggs. Egg is converted into an embryo, and then embryo is hatching, and it is converted into a chick, and chick is converted into an adult. Look at this picture. First is egg, then hatching of egg, chick, and then hen. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good day.